Hi, this is Brent with Helton Remodeling here at Dewdrop Cove in the Hills to showcase our latest project. The homeowners needed updates throughout the house, including the kitchen and the master bathroom. In the kitchen, the main ask was to upgrade the hood to match the colonial style of the house. The original hood was a simple hood that attached to the bottom of the upper cabinet like a microwave. We designed custom millwork in the hood cabinet to tie into the existing cabinets while adding a wow factor. We changed the hardware of the rest of the cabinets to soft close operation and refinished the kitchen cabinets. We installed Decton countertops with apron edges, giving this thinner material a standard countertop eased edge profile. We used the countertop material to add a matching accent splash to the back of the cooktop wall and around the kitchen desk. We installed a simple subway tile for the splash right of the sink, and we replaced the floor with a faux-like stone tile. Last, we installed the new hood and induction cooktop. The floors throughout the house are beautifully aged pine hardwood. Finding a match was not possible in the normal design stores. Through our specialty suppliers, we found this reclaimed long-leaf pine and installed it in the master bedroom, closet, and the hallway to the master bathroom. These floors were custom stained and sealed on-site for the best match to the existing hardwoods in the house. In the master bathroom, we took most of the walls to the studs and made major plumbing adjustments, added additional can lighting, and changed the vanity lights to 3 sconces. We framed out a new pony wall around the new tub and topped the pony wall with the countertop material. We split the tub and shower areas with contrasting tile, and we added this gorgeous floor tile from the bathroom right into the shower. Finally, we installed custom cabinets with Decton countertops and splash. And we added these beautiful mirrors to complement all the gold new fixtures. One other large step in this project was replacing 4 French doors with new steel doors. The interiors of each door were stained to match the hardwoods in the house to tie everything together. To learn more about this project, or to find out how Helton Remodeling can help you make your dream project come true, visit us at HeltonRemodelingServices.com. That's HeltonRemodelingServices.com.